Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today I'm super excited because we are going to make print and cut stickers, but this time we're going to use glossy sticker paper. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how we're going to do it. So I've got my glossy sticker paper right here. I'm using my Cricut Explorer 3, but you could do this with the Cricut Explorer Air as well as the Maker models. This is the file that I'm using here today. I've already brought it into my iPad and I've already sized it down. So what we're ready to do is make it. So let's go ahead and hit make it. Let's go ahead and choose our printer settings. I've got it on my correct printer here. I just need one copy. We are ready to go. So I'm going to hit the print button. So at this point, the printer is going to go ahead and print this out for us. So as you guys can see here, it printed out very nicely on this glossy sticker paper. We have our print border, and you can see those colors are so nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and load this on my blue mat. This is going to release it a lot easier, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the blue mat today. Now that we have it loaded on our blue mat, we are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue on my iPad over here. It would be the same thing from your desktop or your phone. And then I'm gonna go to all materials, and I'm gonna type in sticker. For the settings, I'm choosing printable sticker paper clear. So we're gonna go ahead and choose that now. We are ready to load. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this under my 2 white feet, hit the load button. It's gonna go ahead and bring it inside, and this time it's gonna go ahead and take its little laser and read all the way around for that print border. Glossy stickers are going to be great because they're going to be water resistant. These are perfect for sticking on packaging as well as your planners and things like that. All right, so we are ready to go. We've got a flashing ghost. We're going to go ahead and hit it and let it cut it out. All right, so now it's done cutting. She's going to go ahead and let us unload it. And there you have it. With these cut settings, this is a die cut. So what this means is you're simply just going to remove your border, and these are going to be individual printed stickers. So whenever you're ready to use them, you're just going to peel off the backing. Now stay tuned. I will have another video coming up to show you guys how to get a kiss cut with your glossy sticker paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.